Well, good afternoon on these constitutionally protected rights. We're seeing threats of violence. We're seeing threats of armed confrontation and assault on our capital. For years, Virginia this past Monday. But we have received credible intelligence from our law enforcement agencies that there are groups with malicious plans for the rally that is planned for Monday. This includes out-of-state militia groups and hate groups planning to travel from across the country to disrupt our democratic process with acts of violence. They are not coming to peacefully protest. They are coming to intimidate and to cause harm. State intelligence analysts have identified threats and violent rhetoric similar to what has been seen before other major events, such as Charlottesville. Let me be clear. These are considered credible, serious threats by our law enforcement agencies. This intelligence comes from mainstream channels, both offline and online, such as alternative dark web channels used by violent groups and white nationalists from outside Virginia. These conversations are to protect public safety at Monday's rally. But no one wants another incident like the one we saw in Charlottesville in 2017. We will not allow that mayhem and violence to happen here. So we are taking the following actions to keep prohibition of weapons on Capitol grounds. The prohibition is temporary, and it will expire on Tuesday after the rally. And those who would bring violence into Virginia have left and returned to where they came from. I have made this decision in the entry to Virginia with violent intent. Hate, intimidation, and violence have no place here. I want to be clear. Government, it is also in the middle of a busy city. I know that Mayor